Yes, it's a hackathon. We are launching Europe's biggest XR in-person hackathon and you are invited. Whether you are a seasoned veteran, you already have your own game studio or you work in a company already, or you just got started with XR, I truly believe that this is an incredible opportunity for your professional career. And let me tell you why. We are expecting 150 plus amazing XR creators across all Europe and also outside of Europe. So if you are from Asia or America or anywhere else, you are also welcome. But again, I think the majority will be from Europe for 4 days of networking, meeting awesome people, really having a good time and building amazing XR prototypes. And the best thing, potentially getting funded by Meta and our other sponsors. So here are the key informations that you need to know. First of all, the XRCC is only in person. We will have some virtual events in the future, but this one is only in person. And you have to be in Berlin. And it is from June 27th afternoon until June 30th, so 3.5 days. And it is for every kind of XR creator. So whether you are a developer, of course, but also designer, sound engineer, product manager, project manager, even if you're like in sales marketing, if you have a passion for building XR experiences, building products, being in this field, if you have an entrepreneurial spirit or a creative spirit, if you're an artist, any form of creative expression in XR is very, very welcome. So definitely apply. Really, really important. Since we only have 150 seats available and some of them are already taken away by our partners and own students, for example, I highly, highly encourage you to, when you watch this video, right after this video, go and apply before the seats are taken, and then you basically miss out and you will regret this. I'm confident that we will be booked out pretty much because again, people just love hackathons and we have a limited capacity. There is funding opportunities. There's everything included. It's amazing. It's in Berlin. You have a good reason to travel to Berlin. So please, please, please don't sleep on this. Don't be like, yeah, at some point in the future, I will register 3 days before the event. I can guarantee you 100% it will be probably booked out by end of April, May. So once you applied and you get approved, after that it is first come, first served. So don't sleep on this and yeah, just apply. So how can we support you? If you're from Berlin, man, it's a no-brainer. Just go travel to Kreuzberg. It's not far away, I guess, at least, and that should be no problem. If you are from Germany or Europe, we can most likely support you with a helpful travel reimbursement, so we can cover some of the costs for the travel. We can also give you a discounted hostel that we have reserved. We have around 40 seats reserved, so you have it much, much easier, and you also get to meet all of the other XRCC participants. If you are from outside Europe, or if you're outside from Europe, then still apply for many reasons. First of all, we still provide a reasonable travel budget for you guys as well. Again, it will only cover a small piece of the cost, but if you can travel on your own to Berlin, awesome, then you're invited. But also you are in our database for future hackathons, because if this thing goes well, I can guarantee you we will do more of these. We will do them online, we will do them maybe outside of Europe as well. I don't know how all of this evolves. I cannot see the future, but you also get access to our free course, which is a hackathon training course, so many other bonuses. So even if you are outside from Europe, it's still worth to apply, especially since there are some awesome bonuses available as well. So what is the vision of this thing? Why is it such a big deal for me and hopefully for the XR industry and you as well? Our main goal is to strengthen the European XR economy, but not just within Europe. I really want to showcase that XR is capable of so much more than just freaking games and big screens. I think this is something that we in this industry really have to showcase it more to the outside world, that XR can solve real problems a ton. I have a lot of videos on my channel about these since I started talking about like these business use cases and XR for enterprise and showing like use cases and everything. My channel has declined quite a bit, to be honest. So this is something I think more and more the world is seeing, that there is potential in these technologies, and this is one of the big missions of XRCC, to really showcase, hey, XR is more than just gaming. It is capable of a lot of amazing things that can solve real problems, and let's just show it through the amazing community. And also actually to have something, some events that are not all in US, that we have something in Europe, because there's not so much here. So I think this is also one of the drivers behind this mission. My dream would be that you guys come over, you have a good time, you meet new friends, you meet new relationships, you potentially eventually create an amazing prototype, Meta's like, oh, this is amazing, then they just invest in, some of the other sponsors may invest into it as well. That will form new companies, and it really helps to also push the entrepreneurial spirit in this field and just create amazing win-win scenarios for everybody. Finally, to close this off, if you are not confident in participating in this hackathon, we are also looking for volunteers. If you have an audience already in this field, if you are a content creator yourself, we are looking for partners. We have some awesome partners already. And also, of course, if you are a company in the XR field or field using XR technologies, then we have a few, I think like 2 or 3 sponsor spots left, and you can also reach out to me if you want to sponsor this event as well. But again, mostly important, if you want to participate, if you want to meet awesome people, if you want to have a good time in Berlin in summer, because Berlin in winter sucks, but in summer it's awesome, then definitely check out xrcc.events. The link will be below. Oof, I'm super excited for this. Really looking forward. Maybe you will not hear much from me on YouTube right now because this thing is occupying all of my time. Really looking forward to this. Thank you so much for listening, and as always, I see you in the next one.